Well, celebrations are on full note as Nitin Nabin is set to take charge of the party. He went to temples to offer prayers ahead of his big day. Went to the Jhandewala temple, Hanuman temple, and then Bangla Sahib in Delhi as he is all set to take charge as the youngest ever president of the Saffron Party. Within the party, Nabin rose through the ranks of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, serving at both the state and national levels. From the grassroots of Bihar to the BJP headquarters, the journey is, is imamicable. He later took charge of crucial states such as Chhattisgarh and Sikkim as well, with BJP insiders crediting him for strengthening organization and campaign cohesion, particularly in Chhattisgarh, where the BJP returned to power in 2023 after a gap. Nitin Nabin at the helm, the BJP is projecting continuity of ideology but change in leadership style, a younger face, sharper organizational focus, and preparation for the political battles of the next decade. Nitin Nabin is set to take charge as the party president. Just at the age of 45, the BJP's new national president represents not just a leadership change, but the beginning of a new era for the party. We have live visuals coming in from of the top leaders. Prime Minister Modi is also expected to attend the ceremony. His nomination file was signed by top leaders, including Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath as well. Support pouring in. He was elected unopposed. He was elected unopposed as the party president. I am being joined by my colleague Sabya Sachi, who is at the BJP headquarters at this moment. Sabya, tell me, how's the atmosphere there? Celebrations are at all-time high as Nitin Nabin, everybody's come there to support Nitin Nabin as he's all set to take charge as the youngest president of the Saffron Party.
Well, that's right. The mood is electrifying at the BJP headquarters here in the national capital, and all eyes are on Nitin Nabin and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They will be arriving shortly at the BJP headquarters. Now, Nitin Nabin is all set to become the youngest national BJP president. Before him, the youngest BJP president was Home Minister Amit Shah when he was chosen as the BJP national president at the age of 49 in 2014. Now the entire BJP headquarters is completely filled with union ministers, chief ministers of BJP ruled states, former chief minister or various other leaders as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned. Now behind me, the poster that you can see, there is a picture of JP Nadda. Now this particular poster will be changed once Nitin Nabin formally takes charge as the new national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, after which, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it will be a picture of Nitin Nabin. See, Nitin Nabin has been involved in the Bharatiya Janata Party from a very long time. His father was active in politics in 2006. When his father passed away, he was doing engineering at that particular time. Then he was pulled in from his engineering course to contest the bipole, after which there has been no looking back as far as Nitin Nabin is concerned. He's a five-time Vidhayak from Bihar and has been an active part as far as the organization is concerned. Now, Nancy, when we speak about the Sanghatan Parv that the BJP is celebrating, before which we have seen that in more than 30 states, the state president of the Bharatiya Janata Party has been changed. A new state president has been chosen by the BJP. Now, after the national president Nitin Nabin takes charge formally, then the Sanghatan Parv of the Bharatiya Janata Party comes to an end. Now, not only Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but several other top leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party, whether it is Rajnath Singh, Union Minister, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, all of them will take part in this program today, and the entire BJP office is completely filled with Karyakartas. There has been a different section which has been particularly built for leaders and Karyakartas who are coming in from the state of Bihar, and outside the BJP headquarters also there's large crowd, dhol nagaras, workers are completely celebrating. Now I had spoken with a lot of BJP leaders, in fact, who came yesterday to extend their support to Nitin Navin. Now they say that the messaging as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned is extremely important, because when they have selected Nitin Navin, who's the youngest BJP national president, now the BJP sends out the message to the other political parties as well. Now the BJP says that in the opposition political parties you mostly see parivar or politics which has been dominated by a dynasty. But when it comes to the Bharatiya Janata Party, from a booth level karyakarta, you can become a national BJP president. That has been the motto of the BJP. That's how Prime Minister Narendra Modi functions, and that's how the Bharatiya Janata Party functions. So it is very important to note the messaging from the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the party says that under JP Nadda, the party did well